Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Here I am up with another quick and easy recipe. It's the creamy chicken. So I have taken around 1 kg chicken. To be precise, it's 800 grams and they are cut medium sized. I have taken around 2 medium sized onions which are cut lengthwise and 1 large sized tomato which is cut finely. So you don't need to marinate the chicken. We'll be using it directly in the recipe, and this is a very quick and easy one. So I've kept the vessel and it's been heated up. So now we are going to add some oil, and I'm using coconut oil. I use this for most of my recipes. So to add to the flavor, I'll just add 2 chilies, green chilies. You know, when you put it in the oil, you braise it, it will just give you that good flavor, the chili flavor. It will not be very spicy and won't hurt your tongue. So it will just add a good flavor when you braise it in the oil. And now add the ginger garlic paste to this. So you can refer to the description box below. I have mentioned all the ingredients and the quantities below, so you can refer to that. And just braise this well so the raw aroma of this ginger garlic paste, it just vanishes, and it will give you a very good flavor. So let it continue to braise on medium heat. Don't increase the flame, otherwise it will get burnt. And now we'll add the tomatoes. So give this a good mix, and now it's supposed to braise like this only on medium heat for a longer time. Like the onions and these raw tomatoes should get one. It should become nice, like a homogeneous paste, because the actual flavor of this dish is dependent on only the onion and the tomatoes. So we are not going to add too many ingredients in this. We're just going to give this flavor, and at the end add the cream at the end. So the entire taste will depend on these onions which are braised well in the oil, and the tomatoes with the ginger garlic paste and the cream. So add some salt. And mix it well. Keep stirring it occasionally so it gets cooked well, the tomatoes get braised well. You're supposed to add sufficient quantity of oil while braising this onions and the tomatoes, so they don't get burnt and they become into a nice homogeneous mix like how you have seen over here. Now it's time to add the spices. We'll add some red chili powder, and we are going to add some more quantity of red chili powder because this will also give good color to this dish and flavor. So add some garam masala. You can refer to the description box to find all the measurements that I have added of the ingredients. And give this a nice mix and add some turmeric powder. Give this a good mix, and now it's time to add the meat. So add the chicken and give it a good mix. Give it a good mix, and now add some salt. So salt as per your taste. Give it a nice mix so that all the masala is coated on the chicken pieces. And just keep it on medium heat, medium to high heat, and cover it. Add some water on the lid, so when it starts vaporizing, you can reduce the flame of the gas. And this water which is added on the lid, the chicken in the vessel will not get burnt, because the water will get evaporated and again get condensed inside this under the lid because of the water here, and it will cook with its own heat and flavor. So if we don't add the water, it gets dried up very fast and it may get burnt. So we add this water, let it be on high flame, and the moment it starts vaporizing this water, we'll decrease it and keep it on medium flame, and let it take its own time to cook. It will take around 15 minutes, and in between just open the lid and keep giving it a good mix and a stir. So if you observe, it's beginning to vaporize. So now I have decreased the flame to medium heat and let it take its own time and cook, and in between just keep checking whether the water level in the chicken is decreased, it should not get burnt. And you can keep adding the water on top of the lid when this water gets evaporated. So it's almost around 10-15 minutes it's been cooking, and you can observe that the water is evaporated. I just gave it a stir in between, and every 5 to 10 minutes supposed to just open it and check and give it a good mix. I want this not to be in like gravy, and I don't want it so watery, so I'm not going to add more water in it. Just let it cook with this sufficient quantity of water in this, and I'm just going to close it and keep it on same heat, medium heat. I'll just add little bit of water, not much, and let it continue to cook. So let me just have a look. I'm getting nice aroma, nice flavor of the chicken. So there's still little gravy kind of, and I think it needs to be cooked for another few minutes. So let it be on medium heat and just some few more minutes. So I think I'll just keep this open and let the water a little bit evaporate. I don't want it to be too much of gravy. And now, since it's almost done, it's time to add the cream. The cream is normally used as a dressing, so I'm adding it at the end. otherwise it becomes too watery and oily kind of. Give it a good mix. So like the way you all want it, if you all want it very watery, a lot of gravy, then you can add more quantity of water and the required quantity of cream. But if you want it thick and nice, then you can just keep it this way and add just sufficient quantity of water and cream. So it's done, and I'll put the flame off. Remember not to overcook the meat, the chicken, or else it will lose its taste and it will shred off, it will start shredding. So just cook it for sufficient amount of time and let it just cool down for 5 minutes and then we'll serve it. So let me serve this. I have used only the leg portion of the chicken in this dish. Only the leg and the thigh portion of the chicken. So here it's ready. So here it is ready. So this is such a quick and easy recipe. I have just used onions, large quantity of onions and tomatoes and just red chili powder and garam masala and cream at the end. So just these ingredients make such a yummy dish. I think this is better than any dish which is served in any restaurant, the creamy chicken. And I think you all should try out this recipe at your home, and I'm sure you will enjoy eating this. It's always good to try variety of recipes while making the chicken. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification and hit the like button if you like this recipe and share it with everyone. There is a lot of interesting recipes of chicken, veg and non-veg recipes that I keep uploading in my channel. So I'm sure you will enjoy watching all my videos. I'm a regular food vlogger, so subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye bye, and I'll see you all in my more upcoming videos.